What's your full name?
My full name is Wahidul Islam Talukdar. My family, my friends loves to call me Wahidul. If you feel comfortable, you may call me Wahidul Islam.
Do you work or study?
I'm a student of Chunargarh Government College. Right now,
Mhm.
I'm a student of Rahat English Care.
Which day of the week do you like the most?
I like most my holiday.
Holiday, I mean Friday.
Yes, sir, Friday. When I get free time, then I go outside, and my favorite hobby is traveling. So I get many free time, then I go outside and visit new place.
Do people in your country normally wake up early?
Yes, many people wake up early in the morning.
Do you read a daily newspaper?
No, I don't read daily newspaper, but I try read newspaper
Okay.
because it is very important.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
What kind of books do you like to read?
English history, English books. English books is my favorite book.
Do young people in your country read newspaper?
Some people read newspaper.